so let's slow this down for you now. So we're gonna do a little D chord. I'm gonna go ahead and use my middle finger. There's some flexibility here, whatever you need to do. That's the whole chord. I'm just gonna pull my middle finger off to make that open string. If you want, you can pluck it, it's up to you. I'm gonna come towards me with the pick for the middle string open. Back to the double string, coming back in. That's like away from me. So, cool, it's a nice flow. I'm strumming, I'm pulling them off, I'm coming towards me, and I'm coming away from me. And I'm gonna use my middle finger again. It's towards me, I'm coming away with my ring finger. First fret, back, where I just was. Third fret, first finger, and then middle again. That's that one. So, okay. And then ring finger, and then G chord, 3-1-0 from bass, to middle to high. And then keep that middle finger down, keep them all down. And I'm just doing a lot of alternate picking. That's like away from me, towards me on the first fret, it's already there. And then hit them all open. Okay? So far we got. Cool. Next line, that same beginning, that first measure of the next line, same as the first measure of the whole piece. And the next little lick is the same too. And then instead of going to the 1, now it's going to change. You're going to just keep your finger where it is, middle finger. Do a little A5 chord. And then just the ring finger, the first string or the double string, and then all the strings open, okay? So boom, 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 boom. Hit it again. Boom, boom, boom. We're halfway done. That's not too bad. Okay, we're gonna do a new D chord. 2, 3, 4, and I'm using my middle finger, my first finger, and my thumb, and it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Okay, but that's for my little hobbit hands. That's perfect. And I'm gonna hit them all, and I'm gonna leave my hand down except get rid of the thumb, go to the ring finger. Okay, so, and that's on the 2nd fret, and now on the next measure, thumb on the 4, ring finger on the 2. And slide, I would either use pinky or slide your ring finger back a fret, it's up to you. And then take it off. You can pull it off if you want or pluck it. We're going to hit a G chord. That's that 3-1-0. And then keep your hand down, do the 1-1, all of them, just like in the first line. We're on to the last line now. And I'm just going to hit 2nd fret of the high string. If you want, you could hit the whole chord like that, or just hit the 1. I'm pulling off, I'm going open middle, and now I'm strumming them all. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and you can see my fingers are like ring, 2nd, 1st, right? Okay, we're almost done. 2, it's like 002, that's a good old D chord. We're gonna do A5, boom, 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 and when you do the A5 chord, you could hit it twice, or you could kind of go and then just hit the single string, it's up to you, and then the whole thing. And then these harmonics, if you've never done a harmonic, put your finger exactly above the middle fret, don't press at all, just very light touch, and then boom. Looks like I lost my, there we go. Oh, I see, yeah, it registers funny down below, but you can see what I'm doing. So 7th fret of the middle string, there it goes, and then 7th fret of the double string, okay? And so just hit it, and then take your finger off once you get the sound you're looking for. There they go. Have a blast with this piece. It's a cute little piece. I love it. And have fun, and let me know what you think of the new animations for the tabs and stuff. I'd love your feedback. I'm going to be doing some classes with this. Go ahead and subscribe, Jump on my Facebook, Bradley Fish Dulcimer Studio page. Subscribe to the YouTube. Let me know if you're interested in doing like a little workshop, and I will see you soon. Thanks.